Okay, so how to use a driver talent? First of all, this is a RAR file, you see. So you have to install the WinRAR. Okay, so install first the WinRAR. Okay, so what you'll do is that install. Okay, yes. Okay, so done. The next thing, this is driver talent. So right click, then right click here, open with more option. Right click, then extract to, click here desktop, so I'll extract desktop. Okay, close. Okay, you see this driver talent? Can you see? Open that folder, run driver talent setup, run this driver talent setup, then yes, install. Okay. Don't start now, close. Then after that, crack, copy the crack, copy, close, right click on this driver talent icon, open file location, then right click and paste. So replace the file in the destination, and after that continue. Done. So now I'm going to enable the internet. We're going to run driver talent. Okay. Yes. So scan. Drivers. Scan all your driver. Check all your scan completed, but there is no internet connection. Because this is online driver installation, you require an internet connection. So first of all, we'll connect internet. There are a lot of online driver installation, not only driver talent, not only that one driver pack solution. There are driver max, there are driver, what is that one, driver magician. There are lots, but the easiest way that you can use is you can use with this one that you already have, or you can use with dr.su. Okay, so take time, you'll scan everything. After that, fail to connect, scan again. Fail to connect to the server means internet having problem. Scanning AMD. Okay, so here scan is completed. So there are 5 missing driver. 5 driver need to be repaired. So like here, system display. Okay, display. Suppose like here display also having problem, like display like audio also. Here display is problem. See display, it should be Intel HD graphics support this one, but this one, suppose now I'm going to install manually. If you automatically, you just click on start if you want to install all. So just for training training purposes, I'm going to use only this one, how to install this one. So you can just click on repair. See, need to be repaired 5, so I just repair first number 1, that is it will download from the website. Okay, it depends on your internet. Here download completed, so now is preparing for your installation. See, yes, so one driver is update is complete. Okay, clear. So that is how to download your